Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write formal letter to the principal for organizing a summer camp in English. In this video, I have written the letter for organizing a summer camp, but you can write a letter in the same format for any other programs or events that you need to organize or take permission for from your principal. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Now, let's get started with the video. To the principal, then write the name of your school and the address of your school. In the next line, write the date on which you are submitting the application. Next, subject. Here, for example, I am writing request to organize a summer camp in school. You can write any other subject that is concerned to you. Respected sir or madam, on behalf of the students of our class, I am writing to propose the organization of a summer camp for the students of, write the name of your school, during the upcoming summer break. The primary goal of this camp is to provide a structured and enriching environment for our students . allowing them to engage in educational and recreational activities while developing personal growth and social skills. Our suggestion for activities includes art and craft, dance, music, yoga, spoken English, computer training, and sports. Which would be great to develop creativity, communication, and physical activities. We expect organizing this camp with teacher and expert support will be great learning for students and will keep the students engaged positively. Kindly consider our request and take the necessary steps to arrange a summer camp at school. We would be grateful for your support and encouragement in this regard. Thanking you. Yours obediently, write your full name, class, and roll number.